Welcome! Today I'm with Kia Sportage and I will show you how you can turn on the long lights. So first we have to put the key into the ignition switch like that. So just put it here and then we have to turn it 2 times. First time and then second when we make it the second time. Here we got all notification lights. And what we have to do next, we have to turn up this knob to the last position, and then all you have to do is just to simply press it gently once, and as you can see, long lights are turned on. If you want to turn them off, you have to, pull it toward us, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.